Is starting today. I wish India play well and win the test match and level the series. He's not playing? No, I think because England has gone in with 4 fast bowlers. So I think they've left a bit of grass on the wicket. And that's what I'm presuming. I haven't seen the wicket. I haven't seen the first ball yet. But since it's starting now. I really don't know why Gambhir was upset. I'm sure all captains and coaches have had discussions with the groundsman, sometimes happily, sometimes unhappily. It has happened in my time, it's going to happen in the future also. So let's not just make too much out of it. And the test match is starting today. I wish India play well and win the test match and level the series. He's not playing? No, I think because England has gone in with 4 fast bowlers. So I think they've left a bit of grass on the wicket. And that's what I'm presuming. I haven't seen the wicket. I haven't seen the first ball yet. But since England has gone with 4 fast bowlers and no spinner, it means that there could be a bit more grass than normal on that surface. So I'll have to wait and see once the game starts. And I think that's one of the reasons India didn't go with the third spinner, because they have Jadeja and Ashwin. But I wish Kuldeep had played in Manchester, had played in Lords and even in Birmingham. Because, without quality spin, you will find hard to get teams out on day 5 of a test. You saw what happened to England. India batted and on a pitch which had a bit of rough. And there was a bit of turn. There wasn't a quality spinner, so England could not get 20 wickets in a test match. In the past, great sides have had great spinners. Whether it's Swan, whether it's Murli, whether England's Swan or Panesar, India's Kumble, Harbhajan, Ashwin. So great teams had great spinners to get wickets on day 5. And I think Kuldeep is someone which India will have to continue to look at playing in the future.
We have seen Anshul Kamboj playing for Indian team and he's getting chance, but there is Mukesh Kumar as well as many more not up to the mark on that test. So do you think that Mukesh Kumar and other else players should get chance?
Yeah, but don't judge Anshul Kamboj on one test match. He's a young kid. He's picked a lot of wickets in domestic cricket. Don't judge him on one test match. Give him 5, 6, 7, 8 test matches before you judge him on how good he is. But having said that, and I'll be honest, I was surprised not to see Mukesh Kumar in the national squad, especially with the red ball. His numbers in domestic cricket are phenomenal, and these conditions would have been ideal for him to bowl. But hopefully in the future he'll get his chance. He's a young fast bowler, and hopefully in the future he'll get his chance. I'm sure it will start. It's a great tournament. I think it's a great platform for Indian football. Issues happen in life with everything. Hopefully it will get resolved and ISL will start, because it's a great platform for football.